Meaning of evoke.
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 Evoke. Evoke means to bring about a particular feeling, memory, or response. It can refer to something that elicits an emotional or intellectual reaction from someone through various means, such as art, music, literature, or language. When a person is evoked, they may experience a deep or powerful emotional response, whether it be nostalgia, excitement, sadness, or inspiration. The term suggests a profound impact on the individual, as if they have been transported to a different time or place, or have gained newfound clarity or understanding.